Yemoja is the Yoruba Orisha or goddess of the living ocean, considered the mother of all. She is the source of all the waters. Yoruba deity celebrated as the giver of life and as the metaphysical mother of all Orisha, deities, within the Yoruba spiritual pantheon. In Yoruba mythology, Yemoja is one of 16 Orishas, gods, sent by Olodumare, the supreme god. Yemoja descended on a rope to create the earth with other Orishas, gods. Yemoja is the patron of the river amongst the Yorubas. Yemoja is seen as the figure of motherhood and is revered by barren women as she can provides them with children. It is believed that the first mortal men were birthed by her. Yemoja name translates to mother whose children are fish. She is the mother of Orishas. She is particularly tied to the Ogun River in Nigeria. Yemoja is the goddess of the waters, the mother of water in fact. Yemoja is a protector of children, mothers, and those that work closely with water. Yemoja's mother is Olodumare, the Yoruba creator of all. Her father is Obatala, the creator of human bodies. Her husband is Agayu, god of volcanoes. Yemoja symbols are cowrie shells, fans, a gourd rattle, anchors, seashells, carvings depicting mothers and children, and river stones. Her animal is a fish. Yemoja is often seen wearing a multi-strand necklace with every 7 beads alternating between crystal and turquoise, and she uses a cutlass or fan as a weapon.
Akínyàwó ayẹyẹ Ọ̀ṣun èdèkéyìí ti ìlú Èkó ẹ̀ka àbọ̀ síbí. Honourable